Let's go over some before reading skills. You're going to preview the cover of Finding Winnie by Lindsay Maddock and Sophie Blackall and answer the following questions based on the title of the cover. So let's click here on our link. This is the cover of super cute, adorable Finding Winnie, the true story of the world's most famous bear. You're going to look at this, analyze it, absorb all of this cuteness, and then we're going to come back over to the slides and answer the questions. What or who or what is the story about? And how does the title and cover help me? So I want you to pull out your composition notebook and I want you to write your answer to these four questions. After you have written your answer to these four questions, you are going to drag your question to the monster's mouth. So if it is a right there question, you are going to drag it to that monster's mouth and drop it here. If it is an inferential question, you are going to drag it to the monster's mouth and drop it here. Alrighty. If you have any questions about this or you're not sure, please let me know.